When you straighten your hair, there's always a chance that it won't curl up the same. So today I'll be doing everything I can to ensure my curls return. So this is what my hair looks like before I start. First, I start with warm water to fully saturate my hair. It takes a few minutes for my strands to soak it all up, but I gently squeeze the water into my hair with my hands. This step is all about prepping my hair to absorb moisture. Then I use JVN's hydrating shampoo. It's a gentle shampoo that cleanses my hair without drying it out. I work it in, making sure all of my hair is covered. This is the first step where I start to see my curls slowly coming back. I always breathe a sigh of relief once I start seeing my hair shrink up again. Next, I rinse out all the shampoo and I follow up with a second wash. Now it's time to get the moisture back into my hair. So I'm using Adwoa's Reparative Mask. This is a deep conditioner with protein to help repair any damage that you may get from heat, chemicals, and so on. I smooth it through from the ends to the roots and let it sit on my hair for about 10 minutes. Once it's all worked into my hair, I go ahead and detangle and rinse it out. I start with a wide tooth comb and then I go ahead and grab my detangling brush. This is going to ensure that my hair is properly detangled. I go ahead and repeat these same steps all around my hair. Twist up each section and put them away. So now that I'm out of the shower, here's a close-up of what my hair looks like. From what I can see, my curls look like they're back. I don't see any sign of any damage. Fingers crossed that I don't see any anytime soon. The thing with heat damage, you sometimes don't see it right away. Sometimes it's hidden in your roots and eventually it grows down and then you are able to see it. If you're worried about keeping your curls healthy, try out a very simple routine where you use a moisturizing shampoo and then follow it with something that contains protein to bring those curls back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more hair care tips, I'll see you guys next time.